So what up guys, and welcome back, and we're here on the 120-gallon aquarium, and we're going to be adding more water to this bad boy. I had a problem. The eel kept coming inside here and getting stuck, and that is no longer the case, at least not that I can see. I need to get a light back on this thing. Let me grab one. We are going to finish setting this bad boy up. So here we have this. Place this bad boy like so. I think we probably have to switch this around. That's fine. That's findy dandy. Let's take this cable through to the front. Then we open up here. I love how it follows me, to be honest. Oops. I don't know which one does what. Slice. So the other one is the heater. But for this part of the video, I'm going to just show you guys what I can see. There we go. I'm going to grab this. So here is the fish tank. Look, we have the sunken ship. Got all these decorations for free. The wood I did pay for. We've got our plecos over here, as well as down here. We also have our little goldfish. Drop down a name in the comments below for the goldfish. But we're going to be filling up this tank. I don't know what's correct, what's the best way, but I'm going to do a little bit of a time lapse. Oops, too much. There we go. So now you guys can see that the tank is filled. You don't hear the water splashing anymore, but the water is still running through there. Now, the water will be coming in through here. I also have extra holes just in case this gets clogged by any chance. Look at the little baby. You can kind of see him. Whatever. And then over here, we have the filtration, which is still missing, by the way. But technically, dirty water will come through here. Dirty water will come down through here, come back up this baffle, and then it's supposed to go through some biomedia, and then come back out with some clean wool. Fresh water through that pump. It's not the strongest pump, it's not the fastest pump. I have a tiny bio load in here, to be honest. It's one eel and one goldfish and like 5 baby plecos. So, we're doing fine so far. Not worried about anything else. I could technically, if you look carefully at the biofilm, I could clean all that up. Don't have to. I mean, the plants keep everything pretty well. I could throw in more decoration. I was thinking about putting sand in here, but I might not. But we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to put back the lid. Gonna go and put back the lid that we have here. So I want to show you guys the difference that the light has as an effect on the tank. See, if you put the light back all the way, well, as far as back as you can get, Kind of gives you more, you can tell that it has more light in the back, and it's a little darker in the front, like so, right? I want to show you guys the difference. If I were to bring the light all the way to the front, as much as I can, gives you more of a depth look. More shadow in the back. So you can see it's hard to see back there. Kind of gets lost, right? So what would be technically the perfect lighting? So if we start, we have to play with it till we get it right. I like here, you can see everything. If you want to have this eel have some shade in the back, you could probably bring it up to here. That'd be fine. Or if you don't want no shade at all, you could probably get the eel to come up towards here more often, to be honest, if you put the light all the way in the back. So maybe we do that for a little bit, since he likes to hide so much. I think that's what we might do. But I'm gonna put this light on a timer. If you guys know what I should put in here, drop it down in the comments below. And anyway, thank you guys for watching. That is me filling up my 120-gallon patio aquarium. Again, it's really simple. It's just a really big tank. Got some decoration, driftwood, moss, heater, pump, filtration. That's it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Peace.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.